If you want to skip the visa queue and go to passport control directly at the airports of Istanbul, you should definitely get your Turkish Visa Online. Getting your visa online will save you 2 to 3 hours in the peak season. This is Turkey Travel Journal channel. My name is Emre and I'm going to show you how to get your Turkish visa online with a step-by-step tutorial. So let's start. Go to Google.com and type Turkish Visa Online or Electronic Visa for Turkey. Click on evisa.gov.tr. This is the official page of Republic of Turkey Electronic Visa Application System. Change the language to English or any other preferred language. You can click on Apply or Apply Now button on the upper left corner. Select your country and the type of your travel document. Choose your arrival date. Make sure you check all the details before you continue. Visa period, conditions and fees change according to which country you are from. For example, United States citizens can stay in Turkey 90 days in a total period of 180 days, and it's a multiple entry visa for them. If we check for Mexico, for example, we can see that citizens of Mexico can stay only 30 days and it's a single entry visa. And you can also realize that there is no visa fee for Mexicans. However, they still need to apply for online visa for Turkey. And if we check for Germany, we will see that citizens of Germany do not need a visa to enter to Turkey. Germans can even enter with their national IDs. Let's say we are from USA. We click on Save and Continue. Choose your arrival date. Enter your personal information correctly. Click Save and Continue. Check your information before approving. It's not possible to change it after you approve. You need to start from the beginning. Click Verify. You will receive an email with a link to the payment page. Log into your email account. You need to click Approve within 1 hour, otherwise your information will expire. Once you click Approve, you have 48 hours to complete payment. Once you click Approve, you will be directed to the payment page. Enter your payment details and click on Make Payment. That's it, your application for Turkish visa has been completed. You can now download your visa for Turkey. You can find the same PDF visa document in your email, so you can download later if you wish. Don't forget to print out your Turkish visa and take the hard copy with you when you go to the passport control. You can also find all these information at turkeytraveljournal.com. and the link is in the description. Thanks for watching. We hope that it was helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you think it was helpful, and click on the bell icon to get the latest information about Turkey. If you have any question or any suggestion about what kind of tutorials you would like to see, please do not hesitate to write in the comment section below. Until we see you again in the next video, stay safe and stay healthy.